Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you
Hi,
Hi.
hi.
both?
Great, great.
Hi.
So, how was your weekend?
Well,
We are
good.
meeting after the weekend. How
Yes,
did you enjoy your weekend?
Yes,
yes.
very much.
Okay, good. So you had good time with your families, right? This
Yes.
is the best time.
Yes.
Before starting, can we applause ourselves for continuing? We are about to finish this week. Please pat yourself for finishing this week assignments and activities. We are on the last activity today. So tell me your till now what you have feel like. You shared baseline expression, non-expression. So did you feel any kind of transformation? Did you realize that changes need to be done to come up to bring your wheel of life up? Share your experience, Himaji.
Okay, sorry. I have
No, it's perfectly fine.
having a tea. Okay. Yes, my experience is very amazing. I got clarity and I get uh, improve day by day. And first, I enjoying because this system is very
That is very
simple or
important. Yes.
understanding, which I do very clear, and that is amazing experience. I have a lot of change in my in in my life in inner side, and everybody saw it. Everybody appreciate. Even my family also said, your lot of change in you. What did you? And wow, this is very, because I'm more clear. When you clear and you become a sorted person.
Your
Now I'm very
transformation
sorted.
is visible to your
Yeah.
family. That's very
Yes,
nice.
yes. And I'm always smiling nowadays.
Good.
And
I always
before I'm very, very moody. But now I'm not moody. I'm understand other person, other my family person. That is very change in my life.
Very good.
yeah, yeah.
What? So
Great. Can
I
we clap for Himaji for
thank you.
and realizing those things?
What is
True.
the life who I am? That is realizing, and life is very precious.
Yes.
That
Yes.
is I
Especially in the corona time, we have seen so many ups and downs,
up and down.
low,
Life.
up. So
Yes,
many
you're
things are
right.
going around when we need to
Around
really keep
or
ourselves up.
Right.
Okay, very nice. So now, Nadim ji, can you please share what kind of changes you are feeling, and did you realize that yes, we have to bring some changes in our life so that we can upgrade our and go to a higher state?
Yeah, after I have seen the baselines,
Mm-hmm.
there's so much of happiness when I trying to connect those baselines with my every area of my life.
Right.
Some of the areas it's not working, some of the areas it's working. So I started thinking why it is not working. I started thinking why it is working.
Yes.
Okay, and as Himaji said, there is a slight transformation. People start recognizing, and
Good.
everybody is
Very
saying,
good.
there is a change in you. So
Yeah.
I'm very thankful to you for coaching us in a right manner.
True. So you will realize more changes. Today, our activity name is Change, where we will try to analyze each area and how we can change. So the activity name is Change, where you will think of scenario from previous activity and try to see how they can make all their baselines, 6 baselines, be satisfied in all areas of their life. Outcome of this activity is for them to make their life sync with all the core 6 baselines. The steps involved in this is look at your all major areas of your life, like we did it in Wheel of Life, health, relationship, finance, etc. And from previous activities, see how your core baselines are not being satisfied in each area. Next, what you have to do is you have to think of all possible ways you can make your core 6 baselines be satisfied in those life areas. Based on previous activity, when you wrote down all your baselines are not being met, what you need to do is in each area of life, you have to match your baselines to be satisfied. So for this activity, like I will give you 20 minutes time so that you can think about it, about each area, how you can improve that area, and we'll discuss after 20 minutes. Okay, so you write down all the points. And if you have any queries before that, please ask so that I can clarify before doing the activity. And then will be more clarity and you can do it in a much better way.
Okay. If there is any area which I'm not able to do well, so what I have to do?
Yeah, like suppose even if like we discussed that 3 areas where you have rated low, but there can be one area where you have rated 7 or 8, but there are chances to improve that area to 10. So you can in fact think about each and every area. Maybe some area require less effort to make changes, and some areas will require like more efforts to bring it out. So you think about each area. That
Sure.
will give you more clarity, more clear picture about your life.
Right. I'll write that down and come back.
Yeah. So we'll meet after 20 minutes.
Sure.
So welcome back, friends.
Welcome.
So did you analyze and did you enjoy doing this activity?
Yes.
Because I enjoyed it when I did it.
Yes.
We
You
enjoy.
know. So Hemaji, can you think to do it so that you can go to a higher state?
Yes, I focus more and I understand more this system. Then I wrote something. I will explain you that I need to meet my baseline more often. I have a lot more potential which I need to unlock. I need to be a financial independent and lead my finance and career. I need to choose a career which I enjoy and love. That is I wrote
That's
that.
very, very
Uh,
important. When you enjoy your work, you do it more perfectly.
and wealth, I need to invest more area to take change of my finance and be financially independent. And friends and family, I need to take more lead on deciding more and lead on deciding our gatherings. Entertainment, I need to courage and motivate myself daily to meditate or go out for some time. Health and fitness, I need to stop being a lazy or not do this under pressure, but enjoy it and love it. That is a health and fitness. That this area is a lower sides. I rate 4, maybe
Okay.
4 or 7, because I want to more focus in a health and fitness. And
Yes.
love life, I need to be a more affectionate in a order to bring growth in my love life. Physical environment, I need to be around more motivate and focused people around me. That is that is I wrote that, and more I got more clarity whenever I think, but I you write on a paper, you get more clarity, you're more clear,
Right.
more specified. That I realize this activities.
Yes, yes. Very good. Very nice. We should clap her for analyzing it, all the areas of the life in such a beautiful way. And it, you know, once you plan it, you are able to think about those changes and you plan it nicely, you will be successful. You will be able to achieve those things. So I wish you all the best. By the time we'll come discuss with Nadeem ji how he has planned it out. And Nadeem ji, can you please
Yes.
share what is your plan of action for the coming activities?
So I integrate all the baselines. Some of the areas it is working well, some of the areas it is little sad and distant. So I have changed many areas, career or business. So when I'm enjoying that business, I'm continuing. If I'm not enjoying that business, I'm trying to change the business.
Exactly. True.
Okay, so as long as whatever I'm doing, I should enjoy. So that's what I started doing. And in the areas of finance, I started attracting more finance by actually using these baselines. So it is
So what you do it about? Did you ever thought? Did you plan how what you will do to do that,
yes,
achieve that?
yeah. Up to now, I was never focusing on finances. I was just life, chal raha hai, life is going on the way it is going on.
Yeah.
So now I started focusing how I can improve the finances, how I can actually use that money as a seed to grow as a tree. So I started changing it and I am integrating all my baselines in the area of finance. So I can
Mhm.
see some change, some difference in that. Similarly, fun and recreation, I started adding a lot of fun and recreation, whatever I like I do dance, I want to play sports, I wanted to go into the natures, I want to spend time with family, all that I'm doing for fun and recreation. Health
Very
and
nice.
health and fitness, regularly I'm trying to do exercise, whatever happens, and eating a consciously, eating a good food and all that. So I'm also enjoying the health life, love life, and personal development. Yeah, I'm reading a lot of books myself. So I'm actually changed many areas. I'm feeling happy about it.
Yeah, by bringing these changes, you yourself will start feeling good about yourself. Good feeling,
Yeah,
right? So this will again motivate you to achieve whatever targets you have
right,
planned for yourself.
right.
So I want to ask both of you, what is the overall takeaway from this change activity and entire week? What are the three major takeaways for you? Please share.
Can I share?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. First is you have to recognize what is happening. Normally, in the speed of the run, I mean, the life morning to evening, we don't have a time to see which area we are lacking. So this has helped us to see which are the areas we are lacking, which are the areas we are happy, which are the areas we are not happy. So now the mind is started going towards that areas where we are weakest, and how if we change those areas, how it will improve. So that's what I have achieved.
Right.
Yeah, my
Great. Hemaji?
Yes, I discover three things. One is focus. One is specify whatever I want. I want to more specify and clarity. Three things I discover: focus, clarity, and specify, which I want. That is I discovered this.
Absolutely correct. So you both are correct. Once the things are very much clear in your mind, what you want to do, then you can focus on it. Specific results you can identify and work on it. So I would
Yeah.
like to congratulate both of you for finishing and analyzing yourself in a detailed way and finishing this first week. And we will be doing further activities, further more detailed analysis of ourselves in the coming week. So please appreciate yourself. Let's clap for our group and we'll meet in the next week. Anything you want to share, please, you can come forward if you want to ask something before going to the second week.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. Yeah.
You can message me
Yeah.
on my WhatsApp anytime, or you can, I'm always there.
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank
Okay. Thank you.
you.
See you.
Thank
Bye.
you, Asha ji.